Hi students and welcome in this video. So today in this video we will learn about the earliest cities. For example, Harappa cities. So the old buildings that tell a story to us means which are the old buildings in our country that tell us some story to us. So in this lecture we will learn the story of Harappa. So before 150 years when the British were here, they were ruling on the our country in India. That time the railway line were being laid down in Punjab, and at that time the engineer stumbles. Why? They surprised. Why? Because they found a huge hill or mount that was a rich source of uh, made up that rich source of baked bricks. So they don't know what is that. They what they did, they used that all bricks, thousands of bricks, to build that railway line. So because of that, many buildings were destroyed. Because of that activity, they used that all bricks to build that railway line. So they destroyed many buildings, many cities also. So after that, after that 80 years after, the archaeologists found that site again. They found there are many cities. So they found there the one of the oldest cities which are developed 4700 years ago. So that is called the Harappa cities. They given them name. They describe that cities as a Harappa cities. So we will see now what was the special about these cities. Means the structure and that all, how it was. So many of these cities were divided into two or more parts. That cities were divided into two or more parts. The part of the west, the part of the west of that city, it was smaller but higher. That was the smaller but higher, and archaeologists described that part as a citadel. It is the important point. Maybe in question exam question will arise that what is meant by citadel. Means then what is meant by citadel? Citadel means the west part of the city which is smaller and higher. It is called a citadel. And the part of the east side was larger but lower. The part of the west side, it was larger but it was lower, and that is called a lower town. That is called a lower town. So cities, in that cities which buildings were built, that built with the bricks, and that bricks were baked properly. See, we found that all cities or that bricks after 4700 years. So now we can found that bricks in good condition, means they were well baked bricks. So that buildings were made up of baked bricks. So it was baked very well. So that buildings lasted for thousands of years. It is the reason why engineers used that bricks to build that railway line. That bricks were well baked. Why? Because well baked. Because so they were lasted for thousands of years. And that bricks laid in interlocking pattern to build that walls. They used that method, interlocking method. Means they joined that bricks with each other. So that walls were very strong. Understood here? So students, note it down. So these cities found in Pakistan, Punjab and Gujarat. See here, there is Harappa cities found. These cities are Mohenjo-daro, Sotakaho, Chohandaro, and Ganevariwara. These are the now present in Pakistan. Rakhigari, Kalibangan, now these are present in Haryana, and in Gujarat we can see Doliwara, Suktoted and Lothal. These cities, we can see in these cities Harappa civilization was there. So that archaeologists found some unique set of objects found here in these cities. We can see that archaeologists found the red pottery which are designed by black or decorated by black designed. Again they found their stone weights. Now we are using to weight some stones. Like that, those people also used that stone weights also. Archaeologists found that also. Again they found seals. Seals means we can see that thappa. They found that seals also, means after packaging the goods we are seal that package. Like that, those people also were used that seals. The archaeologists found that also. Again some special beads to make garlands. The people used that special beads. Again copper tools also they found there. Again some stone blades, means that which have parallel edges blades, means we can see how that archaeologists found that the people were very advanced in those time. So we can say the archaeologists found a unique set of objects in those cities or Harappa cities. Now we will see the special buildings which were constructed in that civilization or Harappa cities. Means special buildings were constructed on the citadel. The buildings were constructed on the citadel. For example, we can see in Mohenjo-daro there was one tank. The archaeologists consider or they described it the Great Bath. The tank described as the Great Bath. So the Great Bath, in that tank maybe some special persons on special occasion they were taking bath, means for taking bath purpose they built the this tank called the Great Bath. So we can see that tank lined with the bricks, means they used to build bricks. That built tanks they used bricks and they coated with plaster. That bricks coated with the plaster, and that made water tight with a layer of tar, natural tar. That people used a natural tar for what purpose? To make that water tight with a layer, means from there there was no leakage of water from that tank. Again there were two side steps were there. For what purpose they used that steps? To leading into the that tank. So both sides there were steps and there were rooms on all sides of that tank. For what purpose? To changing clothes after the bath. People changing clothes, for that purpose they made their rooms for all sides of that tank. Again the water brought in the tank from a well. The water brought in the tank from a well, and after the use of that water, means after bathing they drained out, means after use that water they drained out. We can see here this much these cities were developed and advanced. And in next lecture we will see the remaining points of the related to this Harappa cities. We will see in next lecture. Thank you.